Hey there! Ever wondered about Kubernetes? It's a powerful system that's used for managing containerized apps. In Kubernetes, we have something called HPA, Horizontal Pod Autoscaler. It's a lifesaver for maintaining the performance of your apps. HPA automatically scales the number of pods in a replication controller, deployment, replica set, or stateful set based on observed CPU utilization. The background? HPA was introduced in Kubernetes v1.2. It's a popular method for managing resources, and it's been improving ever since. Now let's talk about another concept called VPA, Vertical Pod Autoscaler. It's like HPA's sibling, but with a different approach. VPA automatically adjusts the CPU and memory reservations for your pods, helping to optimize resource usage. VPA was introduced in Kubernetes v1.11. It's still in the beta stage, but it's already making a big difference. HPA and VPA are powerful, but they're not always used together. They have different purposes, and it's important to understand when to use each one. HPA is great when you need to scale out. VPA is your go-to when you need to scale up. There's a lot of development happening in both HPA and VPA. Kubernetes is constantly evolving, and these tools are no exception. In the future, we might see even more automation in Kubernetes, maybe even AI-driven autoscaling. Exciting, right? The current status? HPA is a stable feature while VPA is still in beta, but both are widely used and highly valuable. Speaking of value, understanding HPA and VPA can boost your skills in managing Kubernetes environments. It's worth learning. To explore more on this topic and other skills, log in to GyataAI. It's a treasure trove of knowledge and learning. Before we go, here's a question for you. Can you explain a situation where you'd use HPA over VPA in Kubernetes? Drop your answers in the comment section.